In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add this gradient color to the text in Elementor with the free version. So you don't need Elementor Pro for this. You can apply this to a heading or to the text editor. Let's get started. I'm going to click on a container and let's go to Style and add in a background color. I'll use the dark blue for my text gradient to have a bit of contrast. Select a minimum height of 417 pixels. Now click on the Widgets tab and drag the Heading widget into your container like this. Center your layout, go to Style, and align your text to the center. Now let's change the typography to Bebas. Just switch it over here. And we'll make our font size 80 pixels. Then go ahead and we're going to change the text color to white. So let's change that. And now we're going to add in a code snippet. You can find the link to this in the description below. So copy the code here, or you can also select it all and copy if you prefer. Now replace the text with your code snippet by pasting it in. And there's your gradient. Okay, so let's drag this box, make it a bit bigger, and you can now replace your text over here. So we'll just type in Explore Color. Next, we can change the gradient colors by replacing the color codes. So you can replace each of these codes, and we'll go to Google and search for the yellow color code. Copy the code here, and then replace any of the colors over here. Now search for the red color code, and you can replace the code, copy it, and replace it right here. Now, if you want a text that does not have a gradient on it, just type the text right at the top. So let's make some space over here, push this down, and then write, "This is not a gradient." Now let's place in our text that does have a gradient. We'll place it in over here. And finally, we'll add in another one, and this is not a gradient. Okay, and that's it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below.